In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Barclays Bank Online Banking Review for 2025. Whether you're considering opening a Barclays online account or you're already a customer looking for more information, this step-by-step guide will provide a comprehensive look at what Barclays' digital banking has to offer. First, let's talk about the user-friendly app and web interface. One of the highlights of Barclays' online services is their mobile app, which is often praised for its sleek design and ease of use. Navigating through the app to manage your payments, standing orders, and direct debits is straightforward, ensuring that even first-time users can handle their banking needs without trouble. Security features are, of course, a top priority. Barclays employs two-factor authentication, known as 2FA, and a security code generator called PIN Sentry. These layers of security, along with continuous fraud monitoring, help protect your account. You'll receive alerts for any suspicious transactions, giving you peace of mind. For those who often deal with international transactions, Barclays offers international and multi-currency capabilities. Some Barclays accounts, especially the international ones, include features like the travel wallet. This feature allows you to travel with euros or dollars at favorable rates. Sending money abroad is also hassle-free, making it a useful service for global travelers and expatriates. Another attractive feature is that some Barclays products offer low or no fees. Certain savings or deposit accounts don't come with monthly maintenance fees or minimum balance requirements, which can be beneficial for managing your finances without added costs. Now, regulation and protection are crucial for any banking institution. Barclays is regulated by the FCA and PRA in the UK. Your deposits are protected via the FSCS, which ensures security up to statutory limits. This regulatory oversight underscores Barclays' commitment to safety and reliability. However, like any institution, there are limitations users have pointed out. There are occasional app or service outages, which can be frustrating if you're trying to log in or make transactions. Users have also expressed concerns regarding the complexity of the login and security processes. The PIN Sentry reader can feel outdated for some, and the allowance of multiple devices or browser sessions may pose a security risk. Some users report slowness and errors, such as pages failing to load or glitches while navigating the website. Customer service reviews are mixed. While many users have positive experiences, others find the service can be slow or the support not as helpful as expected. Additionally, some accounts may carry fees or require certain criteria for rewards, in contrast to digital-only banks that might offer fee-free services. Before using Barclays online banking, ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid disruptions. Be familiar with your account's fee structure and required conditions for perks. Finally, verify that necessary features like overseas payments or fast support are available, as the shift from in-branch services to online tools changes the banking landscape.